Hi, I'm Phil from PrepRS. Are you ever confused about all the different types of tinned meats you can get? I mean, we've got corned beef here, 3 or 4 different qualities, or certainly 3 or 4 different price ranges. We've got luncheon meat, we've got ham, chicken, a whole host of different meats. But it's a little bit confusing as to what's actually in there, so I think we'll take a look, shall we? One thing's for sure, and that's that they will all last a very long time when they're in a tin situation, okay? So they're great for preppers, okay? But what I'll do is I'll open 2 or 3 up and let's take a look. Let's see if there is any difference from price to price range, okay? Okay, chicken breast, yummy. Right, so this is tulip chicken breast, okay. Reconstituted clearly, looks good. Tastes fine. I'm going to put it in here so I can do a fat test on it, okay? I want to do a fat test in the oven. Chopped pork. There we go. Looks good. Tastes fine. We'll see what fat there is in there. We'll put that into the oven. Okay. Melt some of that fat off. Okay. Ye old oak ham. Okay, let's take a look at that. I have to say that I always feel vulnerable with sharp tin. Be very, very careful. Okay, I'll put that to one side. There we go. And again, this is ye old oak ham. Let's try some of that. Yeah, pretty good. A bit salty. In the oven with that. Spam. Come on. Well, instead of breaking your nail, use something else. That's better. Okay, again, be very, very careful with the sharp tin. If I can get that off. And the final one, I think, is... Oh, it's one with a key. Here we go. Pork luncheon meat. And it's a Morrison's own. We'll open that up. These are all a very similar price here in the UK. Ranging between something like £1.50 and £2.50 per tin, okay? Nice and firm. Looks good. It's a reconstituted meat, clearly. Tastes fine. Great for sandwiches, tastes absolutely fine. Here we have bacon grill. remarkably like luncheon meat to me. Let's take a bit off. Tastes a bit different. Kind of got a smoky taste to it. In fact, it has got a smoky taste to it. Let's put that into the oven and do an oven test, okay? I'd like to bring your attention also to good old potted meat. Pretty cheap, these were like 45p, possibly on a special offer. Again, they've probably got a year on them, a date, but they'll last for, no, in fact it's about 18-19 months, but in fact they'll last for 5-10 years because they're pasteurised in the can, okay? If any gas occurs inside, they should pop the top anyway, so if it hisses with gas when you take the top off, I wouldn't bother with it, okay? Right, this lot's been in the oven for half an hour. Yeah, I don't see much fat coming out of any of them to speak of at all. Yeah, a little bit of water coming out of the tulip, the Tesco Cornish ham here. Yeah, this is the Tesco Cornish ham. There's a little bit of water in that, otherwise everything's dry. Let's give it a bit of a taster, shall we? Chicken. Not bad. And this is the right, number one. This is the pork luncheon meat, okay? Quite nice. Chicken here. The Cornish ham is here. And here we have the Morrison's bacon grill. I think this is the smoky one. Well, it's not much like bacon. In actual fact, I think I preferred the other three to this so-called bacon grill. It won't be smoked naturally anyway, it'll be artificial, whereby they just dipped it in some form of solution to make it taste smoked. So I don't really like that one, but the other ones are fine. Okay, so there's a little bit of fat, but not enough to worry about in both the chopped pork and in the ham here. Just a little bit of fat, but I wouldn't worry too much about that. Literally no fat in the span, which is here. Okay, so no fat there at all. Let's just try. Eat a little of that. All of them have held together well during the cooking process. Yeah, nice, very nice. This was a little bit weak in texture. This one is the favourite, I think. Let's try this one here. This is the ham, old oak ham. Very nice. And here, we seem to have boiled over a little here, is the potted meat. That tastes fine. All three are good, very good. And the bacon grill is here. Cool. I'd like to go without spitting a load of meat out.